Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw card verification issues on ChargePoint, complete guide step by step clearly. To resolve card verification issues on ChargePoint, begin by opening the ChargePoint app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping on the icon usually located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account. Next, tap on Payment Methods to view the cards linked to your account. Identify the card that is experiencing verification issues. Select the card to see more details. Check if there are any error messages displayed regarding the card. If the card is expired or has incorrect information, update the card details. Enter the correct expiration date, CVV, and billing address associated with the card. After inputting the updated details, save the changes. If your card information is correct but the issue persists, consider removing the card from your account. To remove the card, tap on the option to delete or remove the payment method. Once removed, you can add the card again by selecting Add Payment Method. Re-enter the card details, ensuring all. After adding the card, attempt a small transaction to verify if the issue is resolved. If you still face problems, double-check with your bank to ensure there are no restrictions on the card. Additionally, verify that your internet connection is stable during the process. If necessary, restart your device and try again to refresh the app settings. For further assistance, contact ChargePoint customer support through the app or the website. Provide them with any relevant information regarding the card verification issue for a quicker resolution. Follow their guidance carefully to complete the troubleshooting process. Once resolved, confirm that your card is successfully linked and functional in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.